Okay, hello. I'm Kyle.
And I'm Jennifer.
Okay, I'm gonna be handcuffed to my ex, but
It's gonna be challenging.
we did it for like a week.
In 7th grade.
Yo.
I don't want to too tight though.
Yeah, me.
It's not like we're in trouble. Alright, wish us luck.
They're doing a challenge.
Handcuffed to your ex challenge. Challenge. How the fuck do you spell challenge? Should I not swear?
No, you can. I just probably like put like a dog bark over you.
Why do you have to censor it?
No, but it's funny.
It's hilarious. Okay, no, seriously, how do you spell challenge? This is so gay.
You're gay.
You're gay. I am gay. I like vagina.
Okay, please stop.
I like vagina.
This is already annoying.
Okay, come save
Wow, you're an amazing singer.
I didn't know the lyrics. Stop it.
Can't like really back away. Ew. Stop.
Excuse me. I need you guys to get my wallet.
Okay.
Do you? Can you?
Barely.
We're here with our pinkity drinkities.
It's like a handcuff yourself to your ex, and I'm the only ex you could tolerate. Pretty much.
I mean, I can't really tolerate you.
Yeah, I'm just the easy. I'm his cop. Hello, peoples. We are handcuffed still.
Yeah.
It's terrible. I have handcuff chafing.
What?
I don't know. It's very uncomfortable where the handcuffs are.
Wow, your ankles are great. Okay, we're not going downtown actually. You're gonna go back home right now.
Nightly parlor. Reblog.
I wanted to sit in the window, but that's in the sun. So no.
Here we go again.
Ew, shut up.
Ew, shut up.
You're tone deaf. I don't think I got it. Some lipstick. My lipstick.
I only got my cologne, my McDickie cologne.
Is that it? Yeah.
Oh my goodness, quacks.
Okay. We gotta go a little fast.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, sorry, let's run.
We are on the train, the chugga choo choo train. We are still handcuffed, sadly.
Every video we're still handcuffed.
Okay, but we're still handcuffed, and I want to die. And look at our hair, like it looks cool because blue and pink, you know. Oh look at that.
Okay, please stop.
You said help. This don't help. One time, when we were younger, we were sticking our tongues at each other, and our tongues touched, and we freaked out. No, look at that. Yes. Oh, whoa. Only with girls. We spend my time just thinking. No, stop it. I'm allowed to do it. I will make it. He wants to make a scene. Yeah, I do that. He doesn't want me to make a scene, but I will make it.
We in downtown.
DT.
DT.
DTS?
Oh no.
Oh, it says please use mall entrance. Fuck you,
Oh my god. Are you
Yeah.
Wait, no.
We gotta go in the same one. Come on.
Okay, yeah, we're in the same one.
Aren't we so cool? Oh, and look at Disney. Come on.
What? I don't want to go in it.
And oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god! Do you hear the song?
Oh my god. You want to watch the whole movie?
crazy eyes.
Can you get my wallet out? Wow.
I have to help.
One second, okay?
Okay.
We need a second. Found it.
You got it.
Like a day with handcuffs or something.
To your ex-girlfriend.
Yeah.
I couldn't do that. I wouldn't be able to do that because me and whoever I'm next to, we're gonna get into a fight. If you're my ex for a reason. I can't do that.
Yeah.
They just
Ever
hold
since
down.
she was little.
Okay. When I was little, I would drink like chocolate milks out of water bottles or like sippy cups when I was like real little, and then I upgraded to water bottles, you know, because I used to lay down and I drink it, and then I play with my hair like while I'm watching TV, and I like to like not just like twirl it, I like to like grab it and rub it, like because I like the feeling of it because it's soft, you know, and like it just feels nice. Okay. My updated version of it is I lay down, I get a full glass of chocolate milk, I put a straw in it, so I lay down and I just balance the cup and I drink out of the straw while I play with my hair and watch Netflix. So yeah, I was telling my friends and then they're like, oh, let's vlog it. So I was like, okay, shit.
Yeah, who are you?
I don't know,
I
dude.
just know your whole life story now.
Okay, we can turn this off now. Bye. Get it, let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it.
Hey, 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 hey.
Oh. Look at those, look at those. Use the camera to put on lipstick. Actually, I don't need to. I got it.
Sure? Okay.
You're fine.
Wow, hello. Okay, here we are. Are you picking your nose?
No, I was itching it. My wrist hurts so bad. Like, I just want to
You
unhandcuff.
actually look pretty for one.
You're a fucking jerk. I feel
I complimented you.
pissed. No, yeah, backhanded compliment. He's like, oh, you look pretty for one. So, like, I'm never pretty, just today. I'm gonna drag his ass later.
How do you feel about that?
I wasn't unstable. Leave me alone.
We're about to get off these boots. Okay, let's do it. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Oh
We tried. And this is so uncomfortable. Can you snug?
man. No, I'm gonna fall.
Alright, this is our stop. We gotta get
Okay,
up now.
okay. Here we go.
Nah.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I quit.
No, quack. Like a cute walk in the park.
Oh, fuck.
Quack. That's so good.
Fuck off. Let's go get fruit.
Oh, look how pretty it is. Let me take pictures of you. Yes.
I can't.
Yes.
Oh, we could do the video. But you're handcuffed, so you're forced to be there.
True.
This is a whole fucking kitchen right now.
Sorry, it's kind of messy. Okay, so here we are making fruit bowls. You take the lime and you cut it. This is gonna take me a minute.
Food Network, you just do it.
It is Food Network. Ah, look at that beautiful lime. Does everybody want a full lime? I want a full lime.
I want a half of.
I'll take your half.
Like my heart.
I know. Do you want me to do it, sweetie?
Yeah, sweetie. Sweetie, I think you did it wrong. Yo, yeah, that's Griffin.
What's up, guys?
That's Isabel's boyfriend. We gotta show Isabel. Isabel, she's the one who provided us with all this beautiful
Badass.
Yeah.
See, Jen likes salts. Oh, that's beautiful. But I need it to go down. Like, get it through the crack.
Get it. That's disgusting.
So we're going with those.
Hell yeah, A+. I gave us an A+.
What do you guys attempting to do?
What are hoodies? Okay. I'm gonna put this on so I have a base structure. Just do it like this.
This works
Alright,
for me.
we'll
Wait.
just be like this. After this is done even.
That looks so
Hey Isabel!
What's up?
And you're wearing a pink one and she's wearing a blue one and your hair.
Alright, time to pee. Alright, we're gonna film me. We both gotta pee, but we're gonna take turns. Is there big? Okay, we're gonna go in that big stall. I'm not looking at you. I'm gonna stop recording. Fuck!
Hello, we're back.
I'm in a romper. I have to take my whole thing off to pee. Just like move it. I think I can do that. Alright, we're gonna try that. I hope I don't get myself.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, so we finished the challenge. We're on our way home, we're handcuffed, and we're finally gonna unhandcuff. Thanks for watching. Tee-hee!
Video's a lie.
Yeah, you're both supposed to do it. Or one person.
We're gonna do the same hand, that's why.
We're gonna do same hand, so it's like you see the handcuff.
Well, one person do it, then not both.
Okay, but then like how? Because then I have to hold up my hand. It would be awkward. Like,
Hold on.
should I just
No, like both. No,
I mean-
just, yeah.
Oh, wait, no,
Wait,
but we
no.
gotta
You
go
can't use the
closer.
same hand.
It's so weird, Jennifer.
Do the same hand. Just keep your hand.
Like this?
He looks like T-Rex.
Why is this not working?
Go.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Come on. Get your shit together.
Sorry.
You don't even look like
Was
you're...
that good enough for a thumbnail?
I know. You can't really see your faces.
Is it good enough?
Was it good? Did it work?